Latest enhancement of asset summary dashboard. So we have enhanced the summary dashboard which has been provided for the each assets which are being created in the application. So when you see the summary dashboard, first you could see the breakup details of the breakdowns with their MTTR and MTBF calculations. So in this asset maintenance dashboard, you can see what is the total breakdown happened and what is the breakdown hours, the MTTR and MTBF calculations. So here we have provided an option called estimated available hours, that is your running hours, which you can edit it based on the concerned company's working hours. So you can see in your organizations it would be an 8-hour shift or a 16-day shift. So you can enter your particular running hours, and there is also an option to ignore the holidays. Also we have an option to edit the targets as well. So we can set up the target for our missions so that we can maintain the missions in a good condition. So we can set up the target, and in case if the mission is not meeting the target, it is below the target, we can take the necessary actions at the earliest. If you see, the next dashboard is for the planned versus actual. So you could see what are all the planned tasks for the particular mission and what is the actual task which is performed by the team. And for this also you can set up the target, and within this target estimated, the team have to complete their maintenance activity for the machines. Next is the SM calendar view option. So in this option you can see with a different status of the task, that is the task which is scheduled, which is in work in progress, and the scheduled activities which is closed on time, and the schedule activities which is closed in due, the rejected schedule activities, closed incomplete. So closed incomplete is the force close option which has been earlier introduced, and the overdue. And finally you can see the cost breakup for the particular machines on their inventory and their labor cost, and also the depreciation chart as well. So in each of these dashboards there is a filter option where you could filter it out based on monthly or yearly. So this latest enhancement provides you the various data of a single mission that can be seen in a single view, that helps the management to know the current availability of the particular asset, and the necessary actions can be taken immediately. I hope this latest enhancement would be very helpful for all the asset management sectors. Thank you.